The journey begins with camels, whose skin is later used to create premium leather products.
The camels are calmly fed as part of their daily care before the leather production process.
Before processing begins, camels are carefully cared for and provided with clean drinking water.
Easy now, keep them steady.
Right, this way, gentle.
The camels are carefully guided toward the factory as the leather production journey continues. Inside the factory, camels are carefully guided into a controlled lab area for initial handling. Inside the lab, each camel's temperature is carefully checked using modern monitoring equipment.
Routine medical injections are given to ensure the camels remain healthy and well cared for.
Inside the lab, camels are placed on a controlled moving system designed for safe and monitored handling. Inside the lab, camels are placed on a controlled moving system designed for safe and monitored handling.
Veterinary anesthesia is carefully administered to ensure the camels remain calm and comfortable.
After anesthesia, the camels are gently transported through a controlled industrial chamber using an automated moving system. After processing, camel hides are separated and prepared using fully automated industrial machines.
The camel skins are washed to remove dirt, hair, and surface impurities.
The process begins when raw camel skins arrive at the leather factory. Special chemicals prepare the camel skin for the tanning process. The hides are soaked to soften the tough camel skin. Tanning turns raw camel skin into strong and flexible leather. The camel skins enter massive tanning drums to begin transformation.
As each camel skin reaches the edge of the conveyor, it drops smoothly into a tank of clean water.
At the end of the conveyor, each camel skin gently drops into clean water for the next stage. The camel skins are fully soaked inside a large, round stainless steel water tank.
The cleaned camel skins move along the conveyor toward a massive rotating tank filled with chemical water. An automated system of pipes, valves, and pressure controls manages every step of the camel skin cleaning process. Blue hydraulic pipes and control systems regulate the pressure, ensuring each camel skin is washed with precision. Today, we are seeing how camel skin is dried using extreme heat inside a powerful industrial chamber.
This factory turns rare camel skin into high-end luxury leather products.
A long conveyor transports dozens of camel skins smoothly through the next processing stage.
Today, we see how controlled flame treatment smooths camel leather by removing tiny surface fibers. Here, powerful rollers stretch and soften the camel skins, enhancing flexibility and natural texture. Steel rolling cylinders pull and stretch the hide, improving strength, smoothness, and flexibility. Multiple rollers work together to evenly press and smooth the camel skin for premium quality. As the hide enters the chrome rollers, it flexes and waves naturally under controlled pressure.
Camel leather is one of the rarest and strongest materials in the luxury industry. Each camel skin is carefully inspected before processing begins. Camel leather is dyed into premium colors for luxury products.
The leather is slowly dried under controlled factory conditions.
This stage gives camel leather its durability and long life.
Each camel leather sheet is inspected to meet luxury standards. Machines cut the camel leather into perfect shapes.
Skilled workers stitch the leather into bags, belts, and jackets.
The finished camel leather products are ready for global markets.
This is how rare camel skin becomes luxury leather inside modern factories.